right, we're trying to go up this gigantic mound of snow. And like, it doesn't look big in the camera, but oh my god.
There's gonna be the poles that are right under there if you fucking fall through.
Yeah, okay. We'll see what happens.
I just saw those fucking poles back there and I was like, well, shit.
Yeah. Let's see. Fucking 4 low. We're putting this bad boy in 4 low. Okay.
I don't know if it's gonna go so well. Yeah, you're gonna tip, but
it's not tight enough either.
yeah,
It's not tight enough.
Yeah.
no, that might be for the best. So. Try it from the side. Like, try climbing up over there.
Just kind of like.
Yeah.
If it's too there's just snow, it's not gonna make it.
Yeah, but if you look at the fucking thing that he tried to climb, like it gets tight right there. He just couldn't get up over it. Like if you look at it.
Oh yeah.
Preferably don't flip my side first, but you know, whatever happens, happens. That actually
Yeah.
might not be. Yeah, that actually. Yeah.
We're not gonna be able to make it up it. Damn. Next spot.
Just try that little corner. Try the little corner.
Try the corner. Yeah.
4 to 3.
Oh yeah, straight into the red pole.
Yeah.
Straight into the red pole.
There's enough
Yeah.
snow you get stopped.
Easy.
Yeah.
All right, let's take it out of 4 low and find somewhere else to go to. That was fun though.
That was a good time. We'll probably.
All right, so I just got pulled over. Sadly, we did not make it up the mound, or you know,
Close.
not even close. Yeah, but we did get pulled over. That was fine.
Had a nice little chat with UPD.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's why I was a football player.
he did.
Not.
No, just really tall.
I'm just fucking jacked, bro.
just huge.
Fucking.
But yeah, we're gonna go try to find someplace off campus because he didn't really care that we were doing it. He just cared that we were doing it on campus. So,
Pipe or sick comment is coming. But it's pretty cool.
bring her on around. Oh, curb. Yep.
There's the curb.
I don't feel any vibrations. So that's
Nah, we're good.
We had like a big ass parking lot.
I know.
Let's just see how well I can do the burn. Or if I'll just push through. Nothing. Alright guys, so as you saw, or not saw, but heard, we got pulled over. Kind of pulled over. But yeah, he just said to take it off campus, which was really cool. I actually know him. I went to school with his cousin, so that helped as well. And then we went and ripped a few drift circuits on this little undeveloped neighborhood that we have on around here. Completely legal, obviously. We got permission from them. We didn't really get permission from the university, which is why he was pissed. But yeah, old girl did good. No broken parts, no blown tires. And the best part about it is the differential that I put in myself held up wonderfully. So that means I did it right, which I mean I already know, but you know, I can't be gloating all the time, you know. And there's a bunch of packed snow in the wheels. That's pretty funny. So yeah, gonna go inside, eat some food, watch a movie. It is a good and happy day for me. I tell you what. And it's kind of guys are doing crackhead shit down there. It's okay. Oh man, but yeah, it's a good day because we got some mail. We got some packages. I mean, I guess this one doesn't really matter. This is for my shoes. I'm decorating my Ultra Boosts over there with boosted stripes, which actually, you know what? I'll show you it anyway. I mean, it might not pertain necessarily to my truck, but they are pretty cool, and I think some of you guys would like it. So why not? I'll show it off. Show it off a little bit. Hopefully you can see me. In case not, there we go. So yeah, I got this boosted stripes order. It basically just goes onto your shoes and kind of makes them pop from just the, you know, white. I'm really excited about this. Ooh, they got cool packaging and stuff. All right, yeah, that's everything. Did I get stickers? Most important part, did I get stickers? Laces, general application tips, installation instructions. Did I get stickers? I might have gotten stickers, but it looks like there's just a bunch of these. So basically, yep, sweet. Oh yeah, okay. So I'm gonna pick you guys up here. Basically, in this little kit here, this is like literally $25–$30 for a set. You get 2 pairs of laces, and then whatever decal you want. There are a bunch of these like different decal looking things that you can put onto NMDs, Ultra Boosts. Shit, I think you can put them onto most Adidas shoes. You just kind of have to look around. But for mine, I got like a tidal wave type thing, as you can kind of tell from that. And with that, I got these white laces with little blue accent writing, which I might use those, but I'm looking forward most to this like cream color almost. I'm really looking forward to those. That will set it off so nice. So I'm excited for that. That is what I got for my shoes. Okay, but this is from InShane Designs, and I spent some big money here. Let's see if I can get this open with one hand. Oh shit! Nope. Let me try again. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ooh. What's that? Don't know. Okay. I'm just gonna flip it over. Oh, well, there's my key tag that I got. I got a student driver key tag because I want to put it on the Camaro keys and see how long it takes my dad to notice. I think it'll be funny. Okay. All right, getting it. That took way too long, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, here we go. So, I'm only going to show you a little bit, But yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to tell from that, but that'll be coming soon, and that'll be going on my truck somewhere. So feel free to go ahead and guess where this is going to be going on my truck. And if you're right, I'll give you a piece of candy. I'll give you a piece of candy and a gold star for the day. Alright? Yeah. Ugh. And for the people that know, aka my friends, no, you do not get to guess. You won't get the piece of candy and a gold star. Sorry, guys. But yeah, wanted to add that in. Probably going to put this either before or after this whole snow shenanigans that I had going on. So, yeah. See you guys in the next one. Or, if it's beforehand, enjoy the vid. Enjoy the vid? That was so fucking cringy. Enjoy the video. Peace, guys.